we're going to be talking about some minting tools. We have the Solana cooking tools, the relics lab. We'll take a look at that one again. The Mintour vamb minting bot, and the candy cane, as well the soul snipers. Okay, so then for upcoming launches tomorrow, there's the DeFi land. I'm not whitelisted for this one, but there is a public sale, so I will try to do that one. So I gotta say, today there's definitely some lucrative launches. I did not take advantage of them. So the Kieran Kingdom was pretty good. No bots, SpaceX Apes, and Eonia. They're all really good actually, and this one as well. These Soul Seeds Citizens. So yeah, I took advantage of these two, but was unable to mint this one, and I skipped this one. And this one, no, so these Solana cooking tools right now are trending because they were able to mint a lot of the stuff that I mentioned. Yeah, so they're able to mint a lot of this stuff I mentioned. I could have probably minted more of these guys, but I actually wasn't running the relics lab at the time. I was trying to use the Mintour bot, and the Mintour bot had some issues going on with it. Yeah, it's gonna be tough to talk about all of them. I'm gonna talk about the most trending ones. So the vamb minting bot is trending. They were able to mint a lot of stuff today. But I mean, the relics labs also minted Xenobots. I didn't get this one because I was trying to, not sure I did wrong, but I did something wrong with this one. Anyway, so the best bots right now, I think the relics lab minting bot is still relevant. The floor price has dropped dramatically though, so it's not as good. Vamb and Solana cooking tools are the best ones. The Mintour bot, I have yet to use it, but what makes it different is that it's like a software bot that you download. So I might consider running a virtual machine just in case it's a virus. The candy cane one, I think I still use it. I mean, it's almost obsolete unless they update it. Okay, so I think that's about it. These Solana snipers, I mean, I haven't used it yet, but it seems like it's pretty good. So yeah, comment down below what your favorite bots are. I don't have these Solana cooking tools, but I could purchase this one. Okay, and as always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As well, you can join a little Telegram for hopefully finding some more investments, as well as any other launches tomorrow. Besides the DeFi land, you'll find them in the Telegram.